In this video, we will structure our database. In case you haven't watched the previous video, watch it as I have shown how to use Firebase Realtime database. I will remove .sign out. You can read about this in Firebase's official website. We are going to create a contact with name, age, phone, and address. Firebase database allows up to 32 levels of nesting, but it is not always a good idea to use multiple levels of nesting. Once we access a particular location or node from database, the access to all the child nodes is also granted. This means more data will be used for each download. So now, we will create a new package and we will name it models. Inside this package, we will place all our models. So here, we will create models for contact and address. New Java class, context model. New Java class, address model. So, for address, we will use city, state, country, PIN code, and we will use a Boolean variable as well. Boolean, let us say citizen. This variable is just to show that Boolean values can be saved as well. In Firebase Realtime database, you can save Boolean, number, object, and string values. And finally, long, PIN code. Now, we will create an empty constructor for address model. Then, we will create a constructor and then pass all the variables. String city, string state, string country, Boolean citizen, long PIN code. This dot city equals city. This dot state equals state. This dot country equals country. This dot citizen equals citizen. This dot PIN code equals PIN code. So, we have dealt with the values we are passing to this model. Now, we need to generate getter and setter. Now, go to contact model. Here, we will have string name, int age, and address model. The remaining procedure remains same. We will create an empty constructor. Then, another constructor with values passed. Then, we will set getter and setter methods. So now, in RTDB1 activity, we will create two variables for these two models. Address model. Context model. We will do one thing, we will add phone number as well in context model. Long phone. This dot, phone equals phone. Get phone and set phone. So here, we will set constant values instead of taking user input. So, address model equals new address model. For address, we need to provide city, state, country, citizen, which is true or false, and the locality PIN code. So, I will provide all those values. and the order should be the same as the order specified in constructor. Since we have used long for pin code, we need to put L after entering the pin code here. Contact model equals new contact model. Here, I will enter name, age, phone number, and address model. Once again, since phone number is long, we need to put L after entering the number. Previously, we have saved data in Firebase Realtime database. We will comment the related code here. Now, we will save contact in Firebase Realtime database. So, database reference.child, we will name profiles .child. Here we will use name, so context model.getName. Set value, context model, set on complete listener. So if the task is successful, we will display success message through toast. Else, we will display the error message. Else. Toast. Task.getException.getMessage.toString. Now, I will run this code.